Welcome to this interactive lesson on the topic of dimensions in physics. You will learn how to determine dimensions of physical quantities, understand their importance, and test your understanding through multiple-choice evaluations. Dimensions show how a physical quantity depends on the basic units of mass, length, and time. They are written as powers of m, l, and t. For example, speed has the dimension lt raised to the power -1. Let's take a look at some examples. Let's begin with speed. Speed is defined as distance divided by time. The dimension of distance is l, and time is t. Substituting into the formula for speed, we get L divided by T. The dimension of speed becomes Lt raised to the power -1. Next, we consider force. Force is the product of mass and acceleration. Mass is m. Acceleration is velocity divided by time. Velocity is Lt raised to -1. So acceleration becomes Lt raised to -2. Now, multiply mass and acceleration. That gives m times Lt raised to the power -2. So, the dimension of force is m Lt raised to -2. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concepts effectively and enjoyably.